Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I'm a stay-at-home mom to two sweet little boys, and today I just thought I would share a quick laundry motivation video. I had just a small load to do this day, and I thought I would get up, record it, and post it for y'all. So yeah, here I am just throwing in a load of clothes, which I totally forgot about while I was filming this. I'm not gonna lie. I think I didn't put them in the dryer until that night or the next morning. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Here I am just starting the load of laundry that I had to fold, and Parker is going to be popping in and out of this video, quote unquote, helping his mama fold clothes. It can get kind of crazy in my household with this 2-year-old. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought and what other videos you'd like to see on my channel. I hope that y'all have a great day, and yeah, I'm gonna end this little snippet here and let you guys just enjoy the video.
Ain't nobody like, so lucky to be yours. Seen a sky so blue, and you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Move a little closer without letting him see. My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me.